Hello everyone, welcome back to Finite Time. Today we're looking at the Christopher Ward C65, also known as the Super Compressor in Ocean Blue. This watch comes in at 41 millimeters in diameter, 47 millimeter lug to lug, 13 millimeters in thickness. The watch is powered by the SW200 movement, 38-hour power reserve, beats away at 28,800 vibrations per hour, and has a listed accuracy of plus or minus 20 seconds a day. At the end of the video, we'll put on the Timegrapher and see how this one's actually running. Usually the SW200 movements come in a little bit better than listed spec, but we'll see. The watch has a water resistance of 150 meters. And the selling point of this watch is the actual super compressor technology. Super compressor really is just a spring that compresses as a diver goes deeper or swimmer goes deeper. The spring compresses and makes the watch more water resistant. So it's an old technology, but it works. The orange insert here on the back, it's really cool. Gives the watch a really unique look. The movement looks decent. Not a whole lot of decoration, but the dial is absolutely beautiful. The indices are applied, they're high polish, really high quality. The entire case is just a beautiful case. It's a mix of brushed and high polish, and it really shines in bright light. It wears great. It comes on this 22 millimeter strap. It's a hybrid strap. It's a rubber on the back and kind of a fabric on top. It has quick release, so that's nice. You can also get it on a stainless steel bracelet. And with a quick release, you have a different, aftermarket options you could put on this watch. The main crown here is screw down. The crown for the internal rotating bezel is not screw down. And the bezel has a decent clicking noise to it. You can hear it here. I'll center it back up here. Really unique watch. Really high quality watch, especially for the price point. These were offered in two other colors. I think they've been discontinued now. They had a kind of a sand color and a deeper blue color. Okay, let's put on the Timegrapher and see how this one's running. Okay guys, let's see how this one's actually running. Wow, that's really impressive. That's way better than they listed plus or minus 20 seconds per day. That's really impressive. You see here 0 beat error. Let's try one more position, see how it runs. Still pretty impressive. A little bit higher deviation, but really impressive and way better than list spec. Thanks for watching, guys.